Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a password on Bluesky Social, guys, and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, make sure you're actually logged in to your Bluesky account, either on your mobile device, in the app, or the desktop version. I'm currently logged in. Then what you're going to do, guys, on the left pane here for the options, you're going to come here and click on settings, right? Then click on account. From all those options, scroll down and click on password, and then you'll see this option right here where they'll let you change your password. You just have to request a code to verify that this is actually your account and you want to actually go through with changing your password. So I'm just going to click on request a code, and now I have received a code currently on my email. I can see it right now on my phone. So I can just come here, enter the reset code password, enter my new password, and just press next, and my password will be changed. It's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.